add up what was spent on him in health care.
Elena has really elevated expectations that in Texas we can really make a difference.
You are a superstar.
Contributions that Elena has made through her leadership at the Episcopal Health Foundation has truly been special.
When Elena's announcement was first made, I met Kenny, Elena's husband. And as we were sitting there visiting and talking about Elena stepping into this role, Kenny turned to me at one point and said, "This is the job that she's been preparing for all of her life."
Look at our strategies and look at our goals and be creative. How can we do this in your community?
And you're actually trying to do things that haven't been done before. It seems like it's very innovative. Talk about what the foundation's trying to do.
A lot of philanthropy historically has filled gaps. You find things that are needed and you do them for people or for organizations. And that doesn't necessarily solve the underlying problems that cause those needs.
A lot of them have conditions in their households that are triggering their asthma attacks. But the way our current insurance system is structured, it won't pay for that. If we can change the conversation, if we can get ourselves focused on health, not just health care, we can save money and we can improve health outcomes. I'm not offended that we spend almost 20% of GDP on health. I'm offended that we don't get the outcomes for that expenditure.
Sure. Elena will always be our founding CEO. She understood what we were trying to do, that somehow the social determinants factor, the research factor, and the grant-making factor all came together for her in a way that pressed her forward.
It's really end of an era. I think we feel enormous pride with what we've built and believe actually that we've done more than even our aspirations, and they were pretty high to begin with.
I really want to congratulate Elena on receiving the inaugural Texas Primary Care Consortium Primary Care Champion Award. She's been a champion for years. Primary care is really the base for any outstanding healthcare system. And Elena, we do so appreciate your support over the years for primary care in Texas and for the Texas Primary Care Consortium.
Her mantra of health and not just healthcare, though deceptively simple, has become the North Star for those involved in primary care systems transformation.
What we are really talking about is a shift in culture. And I would be remiss to not recognize the very important role Elena and her team at the Episcopal Health Foundation have played in truly effecting a change in our culture within the primary care and healthcare system here in the state of Texas.
She has helped show that with energy, vision, commitment, and strategic use of resources, real change can happen.
What I want to say to you, Elena, is well done. And I hope that you're proud.
You have really set us as a collective on a strong pedestal to advance true systemic change in service and our shared pursuit of advancing health and opportunity for all Texans. Thank you, Elena.
All we can say is thank you, although thank you seems inadequate. You have been such a dynamic and thoughtful and effective leader to improve the health of all Texans through your work. So thank you.